Top 5 scariest sounds made by marine animals. The ocean is dark, deep, and sometimes absolutely terrifying. Here are the top 5 scariest sounds made by marine animals. Water wave, face screaming in fear. Number 5. Humpback whale. Their haunting songs echo for miles, deep, eerie, and weirdly beautiful. Number 4. Sperm whale clicks. Loudest sound from any animal. These clicks can literally stun prey and hurt your ears if you're close. Number 3. Crocodile bubble roar. Yes, crocodiles live in water too, and their underwater roars are like bass-heavy growls from the underworld. Number 2. Fish choruses. At night, some reefs sound like a horror movie soundtrack. Pops, growls, and strange clicking from thousands of fish. Number 1. The bloop. A deep-sea sound recorded by scientists. Not from a whale. Not from a submarine. Origin? Still unknown. The deep sea is deeper than we think. For more creepy creatures, subscribe to Jungle Jumps.